Like most things, we got too excited and we've already gotten the awning down here. We started on this side to make sure that the spring held. Cory put in a Allen wrench and got the spring held in place and then taped it down just to make sure it didn't fall out in process of lowering this. Cory and I both took out the bolts at the top, which allowed us to take these off, just lift them right out. And then we rolled it down to ground level. This thing was so dry and nasty, we just went ahead and cut the awning and then pulled out the spine once he took off that left side arm. So you can see how brittle it all is. I think a spline came, I'm not positive though. I'm really not positive if one came with our new one.
And surprisingly enough, the spline actually looks decent.
Everything else was crispy critter bad.
Hopefully we got a new spline. If we don't,
we'll use this one. I think we can, like I was saying earlier, we can use this thing. It's not good for anything else. We can kind of put it here so that we have a clean space around the trailer to walk until we can to the camper, maybe. Hi.
Howdy.
It's Monday, April 28th.
What, already?
I know. So, give me kind of an update on what's been going on. We didn't get much video of it, but we did take down the awning.
Took down the awning, been cleaning up the rail, getting all the old silicone off of it, because silicone doesn't really, it sticks to everything and nothing all at once. So just peeling all that out. We're going to put polyurethane caulking back in to seal it better. The awning came down. It's still spring loaded on both ends, so we'll have to disengage this side. We'll pull that out, clean it up, drill out the pop rivets, and then put the new awning in. So this is getting close to being ready to go back. I don't know if we want to paint first.
I think probably so. It'll be hard to get.
Painting's going to be further down the line, so that's not going to happen. I was able to get the seals around the windows.
Yay!
So these, the seals up top because I couldn't get here. All that is in, and then the rubber seals. I got some rubber seals put on this.
Good job.
And then rewiring all the.
Oh, those are looking
lights.
Great.
So got this one installed. Got all those installed. I'm putting in. Stay right there.
Okay. I'm staying right here.
Going to put in a new camera or a
Yay!
camera. And so I rewired this light for us to be able to hook the camera up. So it's going to go right about here.
Oh, fantastic.
This in, so it'll plug in there. Hopefully that'll be okay.
That sure will make backing up easier.
Hopefully. That's the plan anyway.
That was one of the first things we bought.
It was I think the awning was the first thing, and this was the second thing, and then it all went downhill from there.
And then we found out we were going to be working a lot harder and longer.
So that's...
But it looks like you've done a good job of getting it sealed in. They're forecasting maybe 4 o'clock rains.
Yeah.
So that's great that you...
He's got all this up here. I think this is okay. There's water fill and stuff on the other side that I need to finish up.
Awesome.
But it's,
Well, and in fact, I don't think we got any video of some of the stuff you've done over there. The oven vent and the...
Oh, yeah.
Let's go over there.
I've got the oven vent. This one, we have to flip this to get it to leak out.
So that water doesn't flow right down it like the other one.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we can keep this wall from rotting again.
Yeah, it's a lot more solid than it was before, because before you do this and it just
Yep.
it had delaminated. So I've got to get these dried in, so that might be coming up a little bit later. When fiberglass this closed, this is the old gas heater vent, and I think we're going to do away with it because they're about $400. That one I can rebuild, but it's going to cost some money, and I'm not sure if we really need one.
I'm disappointed. I kind of liked the idea of it, but we'll do a space heater instead, and I'll be fine.
We still have the components. I'll still have to order some of the wiring and things, and we can put it back in there. It takes up so much space. We don't need it right now, so. And we can reinstall it and replumb it later if we want. So then I've also got all of this window to do. I think I'm going to run out of this trim molding though, and this one to do. And then that should complete most
sealing it in.
I still have this stuff because it's so hardened. I can't really get it to go back in, so I'll have to order new seals for those.
Okay.
That's it.
Yay.
Yay.
Yay. Always an adventure.
Always.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store, and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.